To analyze J&J stock and determine if Johnson & Johnson stock is a buy, we need to consider several key factors. First, we look at the company's financial health, including its revenue, net income, and cash flow. Johnson & Johnson is a well-established company with a diverse portfolio of pharmaceutical, medical device, and consumer products, which provides a stable source of revenue. Next, we examine the company's valuation, including its price-to-earnings ratio, dividend yield, and market capitalization. Johnson & Johnson has a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio compared to its peers, indicating that it may be undervalued. The company also has a history of paying consistent dividends, which can provide a relatively stable source of income for investors. We also need to consider the company's growth prospects, including its research and development pipeline, new product launches, and expansion into emerging markets. Johnson & Johnson has a strong track record of innovation and has made significant investments in its pharmaceutical and medical device businesses. Another important factor is the company's competitive position, including its market share, brand reputation, and competitive advantages. Johnson & Johnson has a strong brand reputation and a diverse portfolio of products, which provides a competitive advantage in the market. In terms of risks, we need to consider the company's exposure to regulatory risks, patent expirations, and competition from generic drugs. Johnson & Johnson has faced several high-profile product recalls and lawsuits in the past, which have impacted its reputation and financial performance. Overall, based on our analysis, Johnson & Johnson stock appears to be a relatively stable and attractive investment opportunity, with a strong track record of financial performance, a diverse portfolio of products, and a history of innovation. However, as with any investment, it's essential to do your own research, consider your own risk tolerance, and consult with a financial advisor before making a decision. To get started with investing in J&J stock, you can open a brokerage account with a reputable online broker, deposit funds, and purchase shares of the company. It's also a good idea to set a budget, diversify your portfolio, and monitor your investments regularly to ensure they remain aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. By following these steps and doing your own research, you can make an informed decision about whether Johnson & Johnson stock is a buy for your investment portfolio.